One of the reasons why we love Disney is because it's full of surprises. There's hidden Mickeys all over this ship. There's some in the chandelier. They're on the carpet.
This is awesome.
Aww.
We are going to the room. This is it right here. Seahorse on the door. This is awesome. Look at all this stuff.
Look. Way, how cool.
Let's go to the top.
Okay.
Wow. Oh my God.
So cool.
Whoa, it goes all the way around. It's really cool to be somewhere that looks so beautiful with the woman I love. So before both of our families get here, we wanted to run around, see the ship, explore what they had to offer.
The ship is huge, it's beautiful, it's way bigger than we expected. Minnie! But the best part of all was that we got to meet Minnie.
Minnie.